We got this huge 500-gallon off-road smoker rolling out shop today, going to my man John with Miller's Backyard Barbecue up in New York. What a beautiful pit he has here. 500-gallon offset, built by TMG pits. Got the badass green patina on this thing. Mother Nature worked hard to make this patina this way. I'm not gonna sand it off. We're gonna put some clear coat on it and make it pop. We'll check out the smoker here. So like I said, 500-gallon. You got 2 sliding top racks here. Full bottom grates in there. They are removable, so it makes it easy to clean up the bottom. We got a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. The counterweighted doors are standard on a 500-gallon. All right, as well as the fold down stack, that comes standard. And we did do it on our off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires from our guys Mods down in Texas. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Step around the firebox here. We've got our fully insulated firebox. This comes standard on every TMG tank smoker. The door's insulated. The front of it's insulated as well. Holds heat great. Just makes this pit cook like a dream. I mean, this is a bad unit right here going up to New York. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.